Hello, welcome to ArthaChitra. In this video, I will demonstrate how to place a stop and a target order automatically when an order gets filled using the Order Manager feature in ArthaChitra. I will start by clicking on the Add button in the bracket orders. This will open up the bracket view. I will first append the name, let's say test, and then I will select the price interval type. The price interval type can be ticks, point, or percentage. Ticks as in the tick size of the instrument. Point is the absolute value. For example, if I want the stop or the target 5 rupees from the entry price, then I will simply append 5, and percentage is like 1% or 0.5% as the case may be. So I will just choose ticks. Okay, next is submit on filled. I will check it. This will make sure that the stop or the entry order is submitted when the entry order is completely filled. If I uncheck it, the stop and the order will be placed as the entry order gets filled. For example, if the entry order has multiple entries, there will be multiple stop and entry orders. I will now define the actual stop and target levels. So I will click on the add buttons. Okay, now I will define a quantity. I will place it 1, and this is the stop price. I will be testing on Reliance, which have a tick size of 5, and since the price interval type is ticks, so a value of 20 will be like 1 rupee. So let's say if I want 5 rupee a stop price, then I will simply append it at 100, and I will also set a limit price, let's say of 5 rupee 100, and I can add multiple values, so it's like infinite. So I will just define 2 here. I will define the quantity as 1. The stop price will be, let's say, 120, and if I don't want a limit price, that limit price is basically the target. I don't want a limit target out here, so I will simply append it as 0. This will, if I set it to 0, it will simply ignore it. Okay, for the I can also choose to define a stop manager. What the stop manager essentially does is it moves the stop to, let's say, at break even when a desired profit target is achieved. So I will just go ahead and define a stop manager. So I will click on the add button. This will open up the stop manager view. I will give a appropriate name, let's say test. So in this example, I want the stop at break even. 0 will be the break even. I can increase the price or decrease the price as the case may be. I want stop at break even when I achieve a, let's say, 50 ticks profit target. Okay, now I will set it to test. For the second level, I don't want any stop manager, so I will leave it to null or none, and so we are all set. I will now just go ahead and connect to simulator for testing
Connected
purpose.
simulator.
Since I have defined 2 levels, I will set the quantity at 2. select the count, and I will select the test bracket order. Now I'm all set. So I will just place a market.
Bought Reliance.
Okay. Now our initial order got filled at 889.90, and since we have a 100 and 120 ticks, a stop defined, so the stop order placed at 884.90 and 883.90, while our profit target is placed at 894.90, which works out to be like 5 rupees from our average fill price. So where is the, okay, here is the target, and these are the two stop orders. Okay, now the price is at 891.75. We have placed a stop manager at 50 ticks. So from okay, the stop automatically got at break even when we reached our 50 ticks profit level. And when the limit order gets filled, we will have this stop order cancelled automatically.
Sold Reliance.
Okay.
Sell order for Reliance cancelled.
Okay, now this target got filled and we have the stop cancelled. So I will just go ahead and
Position closed Reliance.
This will also
Position closed Reliance.
Cancel the
Sell order for Reliance cancelled. Sold Reliance.
Remaining stop order. So in our example, if we want, let's say we can change it to percentage, for example, the price interval type. In such scenario, let's say I want a 1% stop and a 1% target. So I will simply append 1 and 1. Okay, and if I, for the second level, let's say I want to place a 1.5% stop price, so I will just append 1.5, and if I choose not to set any target, I will set it at 0. Similarly, if I want to set the price interval type at point, and let's say I want a 10 rupees stop price and like 10 rupees limit price, I will simply, from the entry price, I will simply set it at 10, and I will also set this at 10. Please do bear in mind you can add as many as levels you want. So this is essentially a brief description on how the order manager works. Thank you.